Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Με λένε Στάλο, and this is class number 7. Today we're going to go over the remaining letters of the Greek alphabet. They're pretty easy to pronounce, except maybe one. So we have Vita, Rho, Sigma, Phi, and Psi. Let's start with Vita. Vita, uppercase and lowercase. It sounds like V. So, va, va, ve, ve, vo, vo, vi, vi. Let's look at a few words. Vaso, it means vase. Vaso, vaso. Lava, lava, it means lava. Lava. Βιβλίο, βιβλίο means book. Βιβλίο. Let's move on to Rho. Rho, uppercase and lowercase, sounds like R, but it's a rolled R. It's pronounced with a trill. So we have Ra, Re, Ro, Ri. Let's look at some words. Ρύζι, 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 rice. Aroma, aroma, it means perfume. Aroma, aroma. Mera, mera, it means day. Mera, mera. The next one is Sigma. Sigma, uppercase, lowercase sigma, and there is a third form that I will talk about in a minute. So, sigma sounds like S. So we have sa, se, si, so. Let's look at some words. Σελίδα, 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 it means page. Σελίδα. Another one. Σιγά, Σιγά, it means slowly and also quietly. Σιγά. And this third form that I mentioned earlier is the final sigma. It's called the final sigma. It's the form that we use at the end of a word if the word is in lowercase. For example, the word gatos. Gatos means cat, the male cat. So gatos ends in sigma. And this is the form that we use, this sigma. It looks like a little S, an English S. So we cannot use this one or this one if it's lowercase. Now, if it's uppercase, gatos, if the whole word is uppercase, then we use the normal uppercase sigma. But if it's lowercase, then we use the so-called final sigma, this little sigma that looks like S. Next we have phi. Uppercase phi and lowercase phi. Phi sounds like F. So we have fa, fe, phi, fo. Let's look at some words. Κεφάλι, κεφάλι, it means head. Κεφάλι. Φιλί, φιλί, it means kiss. Φιλί. Φόρεμα. Φόρεμα means dress. Φόρεμα. Pretty easy so far, right? They're not difficult to pronounce. Maybe the only difficulty was with ro, which has to be a rolled R with a trill, ro. Okay, and finally we have psi. Uppercase psi and lowercase psi. Psi sounds like PS in upset. PS. Psi. Let's look at, well, let's form some syllables. Psa, pse, psi, pso. Let's look at some words. Psari, psari, it means fish. Psari. Ψαλίδι, ψαλίδι, it means scissors. Ψαλίδι. Psomi. Psomi means bread. Psomi. By the way, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Ευχαριστώ. Thank you. We have also covered some vowel combinations in previous classes. We have learned alpha, iota, which makes the sound e, and epsilon iota, which makes the sound e. So we learned alpha iota, e, and epsilon iota, e. Today we're going to learn another vowel combination which is very, very useful. It's the combination of omicron and epsilon. Omicron and epsilon, uppercase and lowercase. Omicron and epsilon together make the sound U. As in zoo. So let's form some syllables. Pu, tu, mu, su. Let's look at some words that have the U. Kuti. Kuti means box. Kuti. Kuti. Fusta. Fusta means skirt. Fusta. Fusta. And finally, the word pu, which has an accent, is an interrogative word and it means where. Where. Now, remember in previous lessons, we learned the verb είμαι. It's the verb to be, είμαι. And we learned that είμαι is the first person singular and it means I am. So, if we say που είμαι, what does it mean? Πού είμαι? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Let's learn a couple of more forms of the verb είμαι. The form είσαι. Είσαι is the second person singular. It means you are. You singular are. So if we say you are singular. So if we say που είσαι, που είσαι, it means where are you? Where are you? Singular. And another form is είναι. Είναι. Είναι είναι is the third person singular and also plural. So είναι means he is, she is, it is, and also plural, they are. So this one means he, she, it is, and also they are. So είναι means he, she, it is, and they are. So if we say πού είναι, πού είναι, πού είναι, it can mean several things. It can mean where is he, where is she, where is it, and where are they. So the meaning will depend on the context. So where is he, she, it, and where are they? And this is very useful when you want to ask where someone or something is. For example, where is the toilet? Πού είναι η τουαλέτα? And we will learn that phrase very soon. Πού είναι η τουαλέτα? Okay, so let's summarize what we learned today. Today we covered the remaining letters of the Greek alphabet, Vita, Rho, Sigma, Phi, and Psi. We learned a new vowel combination, Omicron, Ypsilon, which makes the sound U. And we also learned two more forms of the verb είμαι, to be. We learned είσαι and είναι. Είσαι, you singular are, and είναι, it's the third person singular and the third person plural. So he, she, it is, and they are. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.